We're here at the Rosen Inn International Hotel. They have quite a few locations here in the Lake Buena Vista, Orlando area. There's one at Lake Buena Vista, there's one here. There's another one just down on I Drive from here as well. So this one is right by the world's largest entertainment McDonald's, just across the street. So let's take you around and show you guys what it's like here at the Rosen Inn International Hotel on I Drive in Orlando. Alright peeps, check it out. We're heading into a room here at 2524 on the 5th floor of building 2000 here at Rosen Inn International. Let's see what it's like. This is what it looks like when you walk in. I originally thought it was 2 queen beds, but it looks like it's 2 double beds. I'll double check my reservation to make sure. A wall AC on the window, a sofa chair in the corner with some interesting artwork above it. Right here you have a desk set up with a mirror above it and then a lamp. Over here we got a flat screen TV, looks like 35 inches or so. Some wear and tear on the furniture here. Drawers if you need to store your clothing. We're here for 6 nights. We'll probably be making use of those drawers. Down here in the center of the room, you can see they have a telephone, alarm clock with some USB-A ports and regular charging. Down here we have a safe. Some more artwork on the wall over here. The big closet over here, hangers and stuff. They have a sliding door set up here that closes off the washroom area from the bedroom. We can open this on either side. And then in here is where they have the microwave, coffee amenities over here with coffee, sugars, cups, an ice bucket, microwave under here. And then down here we have a refrigerator, a little mini fridge, which is good. Down here under the sink we have some towels, extra tissues, sink here. Everything looks pretty clean. Soaps, hair dryer, everything you need. Obviously the room seems a little bit outdated. A lot of wear and tear, but it works. It is a 3-star hotel. We're not expecting too much. In the corner between the bathroom area and the closet, there is a ironing board with an iron up here at the top. So this is what the interior of the washroom area looks like. And this section here, which is closed off by another door here, as you can see, got tissues, extra towels up here. Everything looks pretty clean, no complaints there. Obviously, I will update you guys as I stay here. We're staying here for 6 nights. We'll let you know if there's any issues along the way. Definitely very clean. That's the first thing I noticed being in here. This is the Rosen Inn International on International Drive. We're right beside the world's largest McDonald's, just down the street from Universal Volcano Bay and Universal Endless Summer Resort area. We're right in the heart of the action here at the Universal Theme Parks area. This hotel is partnered with Universal, so keep that in mind. If you are going to the Universal Parks, you'll get better rates staying at hotels like this and other hotel partners with Universal. And Universal just opened their Epic Universe theme park, which is a new theme park they have here. They've been pushing that a lot since we've checked into the hotel. Parking is free here once you're staying at the hotel. They do give you a parking pass, which you can see right here. They also gave us some free stuff for Disney Springs. They called it a welcome package. They will send you over to the Vacation Planning Center for a potential to look at a timeshare while you're here. I'm not a fan of timeshares. My wife isn't either, so we declined that. They're gonna offer you $100 and basically tell you that you'll get a 7-night stay at a future time in a Wyndham resort for $75 if you go and spend 3 hours of your day to check out their timeshare. Personally, for us, it's not worth it. Check it out if it's something you're interested in. You could get $100 and you could get a 7-night stay at a Wyndham. However, that 7-night stay will come with other restrictions where you'd have to go to another timeshare at that time. They may be very pushy with it. The lady was a bit pushy. Yeah, keep that in mind, that they may ask you to see if you want to go to that if you come here. I'm going to show you guys the entire resort. I'll show you the pool area, the restaurant that they have here, the health and fitness area, and whatever other amenities they have here at the Rosen Inn International. We're going to check all of that out so that you can make a good decision whether you want to stay here or not on your future travels to Orlando. Let's go. This is what it looks like here on the 5th floor at the Rosen Inn International. So it's exterior balcony facing rooms. And as you walk out, you can look down on the pool area. Right now we're looking down into their garden area and the pool is just behind this tree here. I'll show you more on the pool later. And we're pretty close to Icon Park as well as the world's largest McDonald's. I'll have a video of those 2 points of interest. I'll link those in the description down below. As you walk to the end of the hall here, they have stairs on the side to go down to the 1st floor, but there is also elevators to access all the floors, and we're in building 2000. There's building 1000, 2000, and 3000. Over to my left here is building 3000, and if you look out the balcony here, you can see the world's largest McDonald's just over there, and then you can see the Icon Park Orlando Eye Skywheel just in the distance, and to the right of that you can see the Orlando Star Flyer. Here's what the parking lot looks like at the Rosen Inn International here on I-Drive in Orlando. And you're looking directly at building 2000 right now. As you can see, the Rosen Inn International is right beside the I-4, and that's the I-4 just to the left here. That takes you to Daytona Beach or down towards Lake Buena Vista where all the Disney theme parks are. And this here is the front of the hotel. This is where they would have their restaurant. The gym area is here as well, and the front desk lobby area with the concierge. They also have an arcade, a games room in there. So I'm gonna bring you inside and let you see what it's like in there. Let's go. We're walking just on the ground floor of building 2000 here. As you can see, this is the direction towards the lobby, restaurant, game room, the lounge, and the gift shop. They have all of those in the front entrance area where the concierge is. They have rooms here that face inwards to the courtyard, like you can see here. And also there's rooms that face outwards to I-Drive or towards the I-4. They're pretty meticulous with their landscaping, as you can see. They're very well done. Just to the right here, you can see the pool area. They do have a second pool as well, a smaller one, but this is the main pool area, and it is a smoke-free pool. Pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Over here you can see they have outdoor sitting areas if you want to lounge outside. We're walking towards the lobby area right now. This is where building 1000 is. The lobby is just over here in this side where they have most of their amenities. Before we go in there, we'll show you what the fitness center is like. And just adjacent to the lobby over here is the fitness center. The fitness center is only open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. as you can see. Heading back towards the lobby area. This is their restaurant right here called the Fountain View Restaurant. And then on this side, there's a video arcade. Stuff for the kids to do while they're here. If you don't have any plans, they can come check out the arcade. Here are the hours for the Fountain View Restaurant. Breakfast 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. Dinner 5:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. And there's a kids eat free program. Over here is their gift shop and deli. It's called the Light Bite Gifts and Deli. Just a little mercado down here to grab some stuff if you need. Convenience items. Over in the corner they have ice cream and just merchandise, Disney stuff as usual. Just behind me here on the other side of the gift shop is the internet center. You can come and print tickets, browse the internet, and so on. Down here they have a lounge area called the Den where you can come and relax. At the front on the left here, they have some washrooms and the topsy-turvy lounge. lounge is closed right now, but they do have this lounge open in the evenings. We got some phones here, and then the front concierge area. This is where you would come and check in. There's conference rooms and sales office in the corner over there. And they do offer the timeshare presentations just over where you see vacation planning. Heading outside, this is what it looks like at the pickup drop-off entrance. There is no valet here, and parking is complimentary with your stay. We're spending a total of 6 nights here at the hotel. We're not doing too much here at the hotel. We have plans to head down to Miami. We're gonna take the Bright Line train from Orlando to Miami. Paid about $150 a night to stay here, 6 nights. That's about $900 plus tax. There's no resort fees, which is good. This is one of the few hotels that doesn't have resort fees, and parking is complimentary with your rate. They'll give you a parking pass when you get in. They do hold incidental fee on your credit card, so about $50 incidentals in case something happens. They need to charge you, like no smoking and so on. They don't want you to be doing that in your room, and no pets as well. It was a great stay here at the hotel. Our first time staying at the Rosen Inn Hotel. Not bad. The hotel is a little bit aged, but even with that, I would say this hotel is really clean, and for the price that you pay, you can't really beat it, because most hotels in the area are charging upwards of $200 or higher per night, which adds up pretty quickly. If you're trying to make your stay here at Orlando Disney World area pretty economical, you can try the Rosen Inn International Hotel. They have other locations, one more down on I Drive, and then there's another one in Lake Buena Vista. Thank you guys for watching this video. We appreciate you watching as usual. Leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos of hotel reviews and so on. We will be checking out Aquatica Orlando. That's a SeaWorld affiliated water park here in Orlando. I'm bringing my daughter there. I'll have a full review of that water park in a separate video, and I'll link that down in the description down below, so check that out. And we're gonna see you in one of our other videos here in Orlando, Florida. Take care and peace out. Cheers, guys.